Children, today we discuss the chapter mensuration. That means area and perimeter of the plane figures. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary measurement of the closed given figure. Here is the definition. Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a closed plane figure, and area will be the region of including the boundary. That's all the definition of perimeter and area. First we discuss perimeter. Perimeter means total length of the boundary of the given figure. Figure may be square, rectangle or any shape. That means its boundary measurement. You have to understand what is the length. Perimeter is length of its boundary. You can remember. And area is that interior part of the figure along with the boundary, that is along with the perimeter. That is area. These 2 points you have to remember. And this is the unit table for the area. Area equals, suppose the area equal rectangle means length into breadth, that means centimeter into centimeter or meter into meter. According to the question, you have to do the write the unit. Okay, we will discuss when discuss this table when we take the area. Now first we are discussing perimeter. Perimeter of the given some plane figures. First one is rectangle. Rectangle, the boundary measurement means this is a rectangle means opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here is length, its opposite sides also length. Both these two are its breadth. That means boundary measurement means length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. That is 2 length plus 2 breadth. That is 2 into L plus B. That is the formula. In this formula you have to by heart. I think you have studied this formula in the last 6th class also. So perimeter equal 2 into length plus breadth. If you want to calculate length, perimeter and breadth are given. Perimeter by 2 minus breadth. If breadth you have to calculate perimeter by 2 minus length. Okay. Next we will discuss the plane figure. Square. Square means all the 4 sides are equal. So all the perimeter means side plus side plus side plus side. It means 4 sides. That is 4 into side. So perimeter equal 4 into side. In short, we will write notation is P equals symbol. In symbols we will write perimeter equal 4 into side. If you want to find out side of a square and perimeter is given, that means perimeter by 4. Now triangle. Perimeter of a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Sum of 3 sides is perimeter. Here we have given name. The scalene triangle A, B, C. If the 3 sides are different, sum of 3 sides. If it is equilateral triangle, that means all the 3 sides must be equal. Then 3 into side you can easily find out. Now circumference. Circumference means perimeter of a circle. Circumference boundary measurement of a circle, that is known as circumference. That's equals, if the radius is r, then the circumference is 2 pi r. That is the formula, 2 into pi into r. What is pi? Pi is a Greek alphabet. It is value of pi is 22 by 7. When we write in fraction, it is 22 by 7. If you want to write in decimal, 3.14, we will take it as approximate. It is an approximate, but it is not an exact value. It is an approximate value. So when the problem exercise we are discussing, we have to give the value of pi as 22 by 7 or 3.14. Mostly we are giving 22 by 7. It is the most accurate value of pi. It is when we find out 22 by 7, its actual value is in decimal. When we calculate in decimal, there's no end. So we are taken approximate value as 3.14. And D is D is the diameter of the circle. That's although we are discussing last year. Diameter equals 2 radius. That is when we join 2 radius. Radius plus radius is diameter. So diameter equals 2 radius. If diameter is given, from that you can calculate radius, diameter by 2. These points you have to remember when you calculate this first exercise. That is the perimeter of different figures. We will go to the exercise. So many examples also here. Look at here, first question, exercise 2A. The length and breadth of a rectangular plot is 135 meter and 65 meter. Find its perimeter and cost of fencing if it has a rate of 60 rupees per meter. That is the length and breadth of a rectangular field is given. We have asked to calculate perimeter. Then formula for the perimeter equals 2 into L plus B. Look at here. Length is 135, breadth is 65. Perimeter equal 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into 135 plus 65, that is 2 into 200. You will get 400 as the perimeter. Unit is meter because the given length and breadth are in meter. Now second part is find the cost of fencing that plot. Fencing means we have to, the formula is perimeter into rate per meter. Perimeter is 400, rate is given as 60 rupees. That is 400 into 60. You will get 24,000. Okay. Now moving to second question. The length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio 7:4 if its perimeter is 440 meter. Find its length and breadth. Ratio of the length and breadth is given and perimeter is also given. You have to find length and breadth. That means here we can use algebraic method. So let length is to breadth 7:4. Then we can assume let length equals 7x and breadth equals 4x. Now we can give these values in the formula of perimeter. Perimeter equal 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into 7x plus 4x. That is 11x. 2 into 11x equals, perimeter is given as 440 meter. So x equals 440 divided by 2 into 11. It is 20. You will get x as 20. The constant, that is the constant, we got it as 20. Now we can find out actual length. Length equals 7x equals 7 into 20, 140 meter. And breadth equal 4x, that is 4 into 20, 80 meter. One section is also there. Cost of fencing you have to calculate. Perimeter into rate per meter. That is 440 is the perimeter into rate per meter equal 150 rupees. When we multiply, we will get 66,000. Okay. Now moving to third question. The length of a rectangular field is given as 30 meter and its diagonal is 34 meter. Find its breadth and its perimeter. How will you calculate? Breadth is not given, only diagonal is given. First of all, you have to draw a rough figure. Look at here, I have drawn a rectangle and its length is 30 meter, breadth is not given, diagonal is given 34. You all know rectangle is a, when all the angles of a rectangle is 90 degree. So when we join this diagonal, we will get a right angle over here. From using the Pythagoras theorem that we studied in the last class. ABC is a right angle triangle. Pythagoras, by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals AB square plus BC square. Okay. From that you can calculate AB, that is the breadth. Look at here. So 34 square plus 30 square equals AB square. AB equals 34 square minus 30 square. It is we got it as 256. When factorized, we got it as 16 as breadth. Now we can calculate perimeter. 2 into length plus breadth. Length is given as 30 and breadth we have calculated as 16. That is 2 into 46. That is 92 meter. Moving to fourth question. The diagonal of a square is 12 root 2 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Here also diagonal means we have to use a rough figure. ABCD is a square. All the four sides are equal. Diagonal is given as 12 root 2. How will you calculate? That means we know the right all the angles of a right square is 90 degree. So this you can take it as a right angle triangle ABC. Because it's a square, all these two sides are all the four sides are equal. So I gave it as ES. That means AC square equal AB square plus BC square. 12 root 2 square equals S square plus S square. That I give just a name as S. So for side. That is 12 root 2 square means 12 into 12 into 12 into root 2 into root 2. That is S square plus S square 2S square. That is S square equals 12 into 12 is 144 into root 2 into root 2 means 2. Okay. Now S square equals 144 divided by into 2 by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Then S square equal root of 144. S equals 12 centimeter. We know. So we got a side as 12 centimeter because the square all the sides must be equal. The perimeter equal 4 this side, that is 4 into 12, that is 48. Now because this question number 5, I will give it as homework. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length equals 22.5 meter and breadth equals 16 decimeter. And sixth question, find the perimeter of a rectangle with the length 24 centimeter and diagonal is 15 centimeter. Just like this third question. These two questions, 5 and 6, I will give it as homework. Look at the seventh question. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land is 5:3. If the total cost of fencing is 48 rupees per meter, is 19 1200. Find the length, and you can also try this question also. Do up to 6th question. We will meet. Okay, we will wind up today's class. We will meet at next class. Thank you.